Hi, how are you? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, in today's video, as you can see from the title, it is going to be me telling y'all my top 10 Jamaican YouTubers that I watch. And this list include a little bit of, you know, the famous ones and more of the small YouTubers. You know, small YouTubers unite. Without further ado, let us get into the video. Alright guys, so the first YouTuber that I have on this list is me. A joke, y'all, a joke. I'm not gonna be adding myself to the list, but yes, you should subscribe to me. You should be watching me. You're watching me. But if you're not watching the rest of my videos, come on guys, y'all need to watch. Binge watch my videos. Thank you. Alright, so these are not necessarily in any particular order. I just wrote them down. But yeah, the first person I have on my list is my sister's channel, and her name is Shan on YouTube. So yes, go ahead and subscribe to her. The next YouTuber I have is Life as Dominique Awesomeness. Yeah, she's an amazing YouTuber. I have been watching her for quite a while. She's now monetized, so shout out to her. I'm really proud of her for making it to 1,000 subscribers and even reaching 4,000 watch hours. That is quite difficult, so I'm really happy for her. And yes, so the next one is Forever Rosie, my coworker. She has some nice video, guys. I'm telling you, she made me laugh when we look at her video. She's crazy, and yeah, she's amazing. So you guys should check out her channel as well and subscribe. Alright, so the next one I have is Quiet Perry. Everybody in Jamaica is supposed to know Quiet Perry. You just... And I think he has two channels. He has Quiet Perry and he has Quiet Perry Vlogs. I watch both of them because I'm more of a vlog person. I will watch a lot of vlogs, but I watch all of his videos because they're nice. So yeah, so they're quite nice. And also I watch another famous YouTuber I watch in Jamaica would be Rush Cam, his friend. Rush Cam is one of Quiet Perry's friend. I actually know him from Quiet Perry's channel. When I saw that he did videos, you know, went and I searched and I found out he does videos and I liked his videos, so I subscribed. So you guys can also subscribe to him. He's a great YouTuber as well. So yeah, he's another YouTuber I watch in Jamaica. Now this YouTuber doesn't necessarily live in Jamaica anymore, but she was one of my classmates and I love her videos because I'm a math teacher and she does great math content videos. So her channel's name is Alka Math Help, and she does especially CXC students. If you do CXC math or will be doing CXC math, this channel is a great channel for you to check out. So go ahead and subscribe to her. And then Shania Singh is also a channel I like to watch, so you guys can... I think she's a she graduates high school, so she is not in... I wouldn't say she's in college. I don't think she reached college. I think she's doing like sixth form or advanced sixth form right now. So you guys can go check her out. She's quite young, but she's a great YouTuber, so you guys can check her out. Next YouTuber I have is Running Sparks. Guys, if you don't like to laugh, go watch Running Sparks. The videos are amazingly funny and they're great, so you guys can watch out for that channel. It is a great channel, so you guys can watch that. Then Danica Christie, she's also a very small YouTuber, but her videos are great, so you guys can check that out as well. Yeah, and tell her that Shakay sent you. Alright, and then the last YouTuber I have on this list is going to be Shelly's Corner, and I love her videos. I think I found her video through a live that she does. I think, I'm not even sure. I don't remember, but I love her lives because she's a Christian YouTuber and she does Bible study lives on Fridays, I think. Yeah, and I like them. I joined it the other day and I was on it answering some questions, and it was fun. I got a few right. Some of them I don't know, but I got a few right, and it was a great watching her channel. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can also go ahead and subscribe to her. Yeah, so yes guys, that is gonna be the end of my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment something down below and share with your friends. Subscribe if you have not as yet. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Yes guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.